Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best acrylic varnish is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked steps in acrylic painting. A high-quality varnish not only protects your artwork from dust, UV damage, and scratches, but it also enhances the vibrancy of the colors and gives your painting a professional, finished look. Choosing the right varnish can be tricky, though, as different varnishes offer varying levels of protection, gloss, and UV resistance. So let's dive in and explore what makes a varnish the best choice for your acrylic masterpiece. Number 5. Winsor & Newton Galeria Acrylic Varnish. This unique varnish offers superior protection for your acrylic paintings. It's designed to keep your artwork looking its best for years to come. It creates a beautiful satin finish while shielding your artwork from dirt and grease. This ensures your masterpiece remains vibrant and pristine. The smooth, even application makes it a breeze to use. You'll achieve a professional-looking finish with minimal effort. Unlike other varnishes, this one is uniquely removable. This allows for easy corrections or future restoration if needed. It comes in convenient 75 ml and 250 ml bottles, perfect for any project, big or small. Choose the size that best suits your needs. With its protective qualities and ease of use, it's the ideal choice for preserving your acrylic paintings. Keep your artwork looking its best for years to come. What we like? It's a satin varnish, and it's uniquely removable. This is perfect if you want to experiment with different finishes or need to make corrections. If you're looking for a protective layer that's easy to undo, this is the one for you. It's ideal for artists who value flexibility and the ability to refine their work. What people say. Leaves a nice subdued finish. And it lets me manipulate ink washes, move or pull excess away to avoid a muddy look. Works wonderfully on plastic bases for models and paints very nicely. It seems to mellow out the colors and gives it the perfect matte look I was looking for. Number 4. Winsor & Newton Acrylic Medium Matte UV Varnish. This varnish shields your art from harmful pollutants and UV rays, keeping its colors vibrant for years to come. It's the perfect way to preserve your masterpiece. It dries to a smooth, even finish, ensuring your artwork looks its absolute best. You'll love the professional quality result. Experiment with different sheens by mixing it with other finishes. It gives you complete control over the final look of your artwork. Worried about making a mistake? Don't be. It's easily removed with a standard varnish remover, giving you peace of mind. This varnish is your partner in preserving your artistic creations for generations to enjoy. Protect your investment and your legacy. You're getting the quality and reliability that Winsor & Newton is known for. It's a professional-grade product you can trust. What we like? This varnish offers excellent UV protection, keeping your artwork vibrant for longer. The matte finish is a great choice if you prefer a less glossy look. If you need a protective layer that's also removable, this is an excellent option. It's suitable for artists who prioritize preserving their artwork's color and longevity. What people say. Easy to use, blends acrylics. This slow-drying medium is definitely effective and doesn't require much to do the job. The small bottle lasts a long time and keeps paint from drying too fast. Great product for painting. Does exactly what it is supposed to do. Extends the drying time and makes a really lovely painting when you blend with it. Smooth on the brush. Number 3. Liquitex Basics Gloss Varnish. Give your artwork lasting protection with Liquitex Basics Gloss Varnish. It's a permanent varnish that creates a beautiful, glossy finish. This varnish is designed to safeguard your finished paintings from damage and the elements. It ensures your artwork remains vibrant for years to come. Want to adjust the glossiness? It can be mixed with matte varnish to achieve your desired level of sheen. It dries to a crystal clear finish that won't yellow over time, preserving the true colors of your masterpiece. For best results, apply it using a large, soft brush. It's easy to use, even for beginners. It's ACMI certified and conforms to ASTM D4236 standards, making it safe for use in educational settings and studios. What we like? It provides a beautiful, permanent gloss finish that won't yellow over time. This is a great choice for artwork that needs long-lasting protection and a shiny look. If you're looking for a durable, high-gloss finish for your artwork, this is the ideal choice. It's perfect for artists who want a classic, glossy look that will last. What people say. It dries quick but not too quick where I can't work with it. It leaves a beautiful finish on my paintings. After all the hard work painting crafts and creating a painting, this protects it, making a beautiful sheen. Easy to apply. Dried quickly. Used on painted gourds for outdoor use as well as indoor painted objects. It gives a nice clear gloss. Number 2. Pouring Masters Gloss Medium. This innovative gloss medium enhances the flow and consistency of your acrylic paints, making pouring techniques easier and more effective. It allows for a smoother, more controlled pour, resulting in stunning visual effects. Say goodbye to frustrating inconsistencies. This medium helps you achieve those beautiful cell patterns that are so popular in fluid acrylic art. It's the key to unlocking your creativity. It increases the vibrancy and glossiness of your artwork, adding a professional touch to your creations. Your paintings will have a beautiful, lasting shine. Easily adjust the thickness of your paints to achieve the desired consistency for various pouring techniques. Get the perfect pour every time. It's compatible with all types of acrylic paints, giving you the freedom to experiment and create unique masterpieces. Use it with your favorite paints. It's non-toxic and conforms to ASTM D4236 safety standards, ensuring a safe and enjoyable art experience. Create beautiful art without worry. What we like. This isn't just a varnish, it's a pouring medium that enhances the flow and shine of your acrylic paints. It's perfect for creating stunning cell effects and vibrant pours. If you're an acrylic pouring enthusiast, this product will take your artwork to the next level. It's ideal for artists who enjoy experimenting with fluid acrylic techniques. What people say. It's easy to clean up after I'm done. It mixes well and I love the thickness of it. The color is very bright, which I love. It cover very good. It's easy to apply. When it is cured, they do not have titanium, and therefore they are not opaque. Other acrylic manufacturers sell a similar product, and may have some titanium which will make it very opaque, and being an artist that paints in layers of translucent colors, then it all works together, making the highest quality oil painting. I've used much of the gloss pouring medium and I find this a very high quality product. It thins the paint while keeping the color. It changes the finish of the paint to gloss, so if you use heavy body acrylic or student grade paint, for my purpose, this worked. It kept the color true, not watered down. Number 1. US Art Supply Gloss Varnish. This high gloss varnish provides a beautiful, protective finish for your artwork. It's perfect for adding a glossy shine and protecting your paintings from UV damage. It's an acrylic paint medium, designed to be applied over completely dry acrylic paints. Ensure your artwork is fully dry before application for best results. This varnish creates a clear, permanent, and protective layer. It's non-yellowing and water-resistant once dry, preserving your artwork's vibrancy. It adds a beautiful glossy shine while protecting your artwork from harmful UV rays. Keep your artwork looking its best for years to come. At least 2 coats are recommended for optimal protection and shine. Apply it easily over your dry acrylic paintings for a professional finish. It's non-toxic and conforms to ASTM D4236, ensuring a safe and reliable product for your artistic creations. Enjoy creating. What we like. This high-gloss varnish offers a stunning shine while protecting your artwork from UV damage. It's a permanent solution for a long-lasting, glossy finish. If you want a brilliant, protective layer for your artwork, this is the perfect choice. It's suitable for artists who desire a high-gloss, durable finish with UV protection. What people say. Have used in several different projects. High gloss, seals meets all expectations. At first, I thought the texture coming out of the tube would be gunky, but instead, it mixes easily into the matte paint to become creamy and very translucent. It is not noticeable in the wet paint mix, but the painted finished product is richer and glossy looking. This works amazing. On small paintings it makes the paint pop and adds a beautiful shiny effect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.